Context is what turns data into insights. Our infrastructure connects your data, signals, and workflows, so your team can focus matters most. That is how you build a predictable advantage. Your AI has a context problem. It has a context problem. Revenue teams already sit on vast amounts of CRM records. Data needs context to create a reason to act. Pravraha.
Revenue teams have spent years collecting more information, more enrichment, more intent data, more analytics, more tracking, more customer signals. But there's a point where additional information stops creating additional intelligence. Imagine giving someone 10,000 documents without explaining how they relate. They have more information, but they don't necessarily have better understanding. AI can face the same problem. More data isn't automatically more intelligence. Take a simple example. An AI system sees a company hired 40 engineers. That's a signal. But what does it mean? Maybe they're building a new product. Maybe they're expanding into a new market. Maybe they're replacing employees. Maybe they're moving development internally. Maybe it has nothing to do with your solution. Without context, the AI can identify the event, but it can't confidently understand the commercial meaning. That's the difference between detecting information and understanding information. Now give the system additional context. The company entered a new market. A new technology leader joined. Engineering hiring accelerated. Their technology stack changed. Relevant stakeholders started researching a related problem. Now the signals connect. The AI can start asking better questions. What changed? Why did it change? Why might it matter? Does it create an opportunity? What should the revenue team do next? That's much more valuable than simply producing another data point. This is why the next generation of revenue infrastructure needs a context layer. The system needs to connect data to signals, signals to context, context to AI, AI to decisions, decisions to actions. Data tells you what exists. Signals tell you what changed. Context helps explain why it matters. AI helps interpret patterns. Workflows turn intelligence into action. Humans provide judgment where the situation requires it. That's how information starts becoming revenue intelligence. The race in AI won't simply be about who has access to the most data. Data is becoming increasingly abundant. Context is becoming scarce. The companies that build systems capable of connecting information, understanding relationships, and turning signals into decisions will have a much stronger foundation for AI-powered revenue. So don't just ask, what other data should we collect? Ask, what context are we missing? That's where the real opportunity begins. If this changed how you think about AI and revenue intelligence, subscribe to Pravraha for one practical GTM breakdown every week.